So here is my Gaikley, I think that's how you pronounce it, Gaikley art printed on canvas that I want to share with you. So what happened was that my artwork, I submitted it to 2 exhibitions and 2 of them accepted my work, which is wonderful, but the dates overlapped. So I had to create a fine art print for one of them. And I told the curators that was the situation. They accepted it, so great. So this is what's happened. I've ordered this online here in Washington from the Bellevue Fine Arts. And yeah, it looks really amazing. So I was thinking about getting it Gaikley printed on paper and then frame it, but I thought, well, that is a lot of work and time into it and a lot of cost. And this one was about, I think, a bit over 100. And it's Gaikley, so it's archival. I mean, it would last for a very long time, and maybe the colors might even last more because it's printed. So I thought I'll unpack it, and the thing is I have to sign it. And when I searched online, it basically said that I had to sign it with something archival, right? And basically I do have oil paints, but I don't have much time until it dries up and I have to take it. So I thought I'll use this Liquitex Basics acrylic to sign my signature in the back because I don't want to do it on the front. So I thought about opening this. Let's try opening it and see what it looks like. And yeah, what's kind of cool is that I didn't really think about this. Like before, when I submitted my works to exhibition, like group exhibitions, I was able to take them inside a bag, but these are getting bigger and bigger, like which ones are being accepted. And basically what that means is that you have to pack them apparently and take them. I didn't really think about it before, so gotta get some packing materials. So I'm gonna leave that. Hopefully I can pack it again later. Looks amazing. It's so cool. Like there was a selection where I could print it around so the painting gets cropped and you can see the painting kind of extended over here. But I was like, I think I want that clean finished look of having everything kind of printed on the front, but with a white wrap around. So I think it turned out really nice. So this will be exhibited at the Arts Explosion, which is only for 3 days. And I'm really looking forward to just connecting with other artists. And yeah, it's fun, right? It's always fun, kind of. I just enjoy like talking to, okay, I am more introverted than I really seem on camera, I think. So it's not that I enjoy all these like parties and exhibitions, but I mean, I just like to connect. I like to kind of dig into people, so to speak. It's amazing. I like it. Look at that. Oh my God. This is so cool. So cool. So the other one is getting framed, so I still have to wait for that to come back. I mean, look at it. It does look like watercolor. Okay, so I'm going to place something on the back just so it doesn't get ruined, so to speak. Maybe I will use this after all. It's like a glassine archival paper. It looks amazing. It's great. And they also like put the wires in the back. So that's great too. And it also comes with this, which I assume you put it onto the wall to then hook this thing, but we probably don't need that, so I'm going to take that away. So yeah, I'm quite happy with this. Well, do I really have to do it right now? I don't think I should. Okay, I'm going to do this later. But anyhow, so that's that. And then other things I've been working on is I got this baby framed, this one right here. It's quite huge. It's quite an odd size for the US. So this is by 20 by 28. It's called It's My Time, and I painted it when I pretty much arrived here in Washington in this house, and I just saw a stag outside, and I was just like, oh my God, this is amazing. It was like a welcoming to Washington, and it was so, I don't know, majestic. It was so mystical, you know. So yeah, that is going to an auction. I got it framed. The thing with this one is that I kind of recognized that I have a paper stretcher, but my paper stretcher is like bought from England. So they don't have much of the frames that sized like that. So I didn't have much selection. I wouldn't have chosen black otherwise. I think I would have chosen wood, but because of the time, I have to take it to this museum like real soon, in a couple of weeks basically. So yeah, that's that. And I'm planning to get the child blossom framed as well. I've already kind of recorded a lot of my videos and podcasts, and an interview that I had with my partner. He kind of interviewed me on my podcast, which was kind of cool. It was very fun. And that made me realize a lot of things. And him being like not an artsy person, but outside of the arts, kind of like gave a new perspective. And also I kind of thought, oh, I need to do my studies. So I had a huge gap with art. I didn't paint, or I wasn't like really connected with the arts for a very long time. But in high school, when I was in love with like just creating stuff, I had a series of work which was called Birth. And I had like 12, 15 artworks, I forgot. But back then in high school, we did this International Baccalaureate of Visual Arts high level. And basically they told you to compare artists and exactly point out why you like them and so forth. And I thought, I'm going to do my comparative study. And from today, I'm starting on this and try to create work. So then, I don't know, I want to work on a series of work. I thought I wasn't ready, but I mean, who is to tell me I'm not ready, right? And I just feel like I want to do it. So I'm getting into this, and no matter how long it takes, I'm going to work on it. So yeah, I'm going to have some blogs talking about this like in detail. So maybe you can check that out if you're interested. Also, what else have I been doing? I think that's about it. Oh yeah, and I went to the figure drawing at KC, and I painted this. I really enjoyed it. I mean, I only had like an hour to do it, so it's not much, but I like the composition of it and the colors. And I don't know, there's something about figure drawing where you have to kind of like really look closely, and especially with watercolor, there's no sketching really for these, so you have to like do the markings like and just kind of compare the allocation of things with other places where you put them, and you know, so forth. So anyways, it was fun to do that. I really enjoyed it. Yeah, Mona auction is kind of new for me. It's my first time. I just wanted to like feel it and go through the whole process to see what it's like. So that's going to be something fun. There's a lot of things going on. So that auction is the first thing that's happening. There's going to be an opening party. And then I have the Arts Explosion at Federal Way, which is happening. That's one thing at the end of the month. And then at the end of the month, towards until the end of August, it's going to be the Kent Art Summer exhibit. So that's going to be super fun. And this work, Joan of Osaka, will be shown. The original one would be shown there. Okay, style, artistic style. If you feel like you don't have it, you do have it. You just don't realize it. So it's all about, like Kellogg Soups mentioned, it's all about evolving as an artist, taking the things that, what I enjoyed doing was taking the few artworks, like 5 artworks that you love from your work, and then like narrow it down to what you exactly love about your work and what you want to take forward. And then you can look at like 3 artworks of other artists that you really admire, and then compare them, select what elements you really like about those each, and then create one with including what your voice or artistic style is.
So this is a studio update. A lot has happened. So I've been admitted to more things since my last update. One of my artworks has been like accepted for an auction because I thought I kind of wanted to, I mean, I love it, but I thought I wanted to give it away for a good cause, so why not, right? But the place is quite far away, so I'll probably be shipping this, but I got a frame for this. Although, let me share with you what happened. It didn't work out, and hopefully you don't make the same mistake. So I got these cradled boards kind of thing from Michael's, and then I put these blocks here, and I mean, it worked overall. Like, I can place this right here, glue it on together, and it's pretty, right? But the problem is I couldn't place the like D hook at the back. It's not like this width right here is not as big. So it's gonna like go inside that board right here. So I thought it's not gonna work. So I had to ditch that. I don't know what I'm gonna be using that for. And my artworks these three got accepted for the Edmonds Art Festival, which is cool, here in Washington. I've never been to it. I just moved here really last year, so I have no idea what I'm throwing my stuff into, but apparently from my friend who lives here, she's like, Edmonds Festival is a huge deal. So I was like, okay, great, that's wonderful. So I got some frames. I haven't got any frames for these yet, but this one of my favorite pieces I ever painted so far, but I wanted to, like, I could have just gone with that, but I thought it kind of looks nicer with that mat. So let's see how that goes. Oh my god, and I created a hole in the wrong place. I need assistance.
Okay, so take care. See ya. Bye bye.